I'm Steve and I'm going to show you how to install rubber back flooring. It's a fantastic product if you want to turn your garage into a home office or a games room for the kids. The things that you'll need to install your rubber back flooring are a standing knife for cutting around any trims that might be on the walls or the edges. You'll need your tape measure, of course, to measure up exactly how much material you'll need. And we'll need to make sure the floor is clean, so we'll need a shovel and a broom, and of course the most important thing, our rubber back flooring. All right, the first thing we're going to do is clean the floor to get it ready for our rubber back flooring. We're going to give the surface a good wipe over, give it a scrape in case there's any impurities on it. One thing to remember is that if your slab is not sealed, you should give that some consideration. Bunnings Warehouse has quite a variety of sealers suitable for concrete. So we're going to get busy now and start cleaning off. As you can see, there's, like everybody's floor, a few bits of paint. Now we'll just sweep all this up. The next thing we need to do is to measure up, taking into consideration things like the bookshelf that we've got here. Record those measurements so we have them ready when we start laying our carpet. We're going to start laying our rubber back flooring now. We're going to start from the furthest corner away from us. If you notice on the back of the sheets, they've got an arrow that gives you the direction so that all the sheets run in the same direction. So we'll get started on that now. And it's pretty simple to lay down. The area that we're going to be laying today is 6 square metres, and this is going to be used as our home office. Well, there you have it. It's a good idea as you go just to step it in, make sure that it's sitting properly. Now, that's our home office, all ready to go. Just needs a light vacuum and we can start bringing in our furniture.